Hello, Anastasia.
Hi.
We have some work done here. Please tell us about it and what was done and how are you satisfied with it?
Yeah, of course. We ordered 3 services with a restoration company. So let's take a look and I show you like 3 words of their company. First of all, side, this is a sand effect. So it's really cool. It really suits our design, our beauty salon. Let's take a look for another side. So I really like it. It's like, you know, like a glue, and with our sign it's really beautiful to see it. And my favorite wall like this beautiful work, so I really like it, and I really post every time picture on Instagram with this wall. Take a look a little closer.
So are you satisfied with it?
Yeah, I love it so much, and of course next time I will ask you to do anything for my beauty salon again. Thank you so much.
Would you recommend our work to anybody else?
Of course, I'll already recommend to all my friends your work and your company.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.